How much information do we get at a brief glance? To answer this question, we need to first define what information is for visual experience. Many previous studies intuitively define visual information as what we see. That is, the objects, visual details, and visual features that we can capture at a glance. It follows that the more we see, the more information we get. If we accept this definition, consider this picture. The one and only information we get then is a panda, given our perception of it. However, does this mean everyone gets this exact same amount of information from seeing this panda? Instead of looking at the signals coming from this picture, we should also consider how such perception of the panda is internally represented in us. So rather than focusing on the panda itself, let's consider the things that we can distinguish it from. For us, with some common knowledge about animals, as soon as we see this panda, we automatically know it is not all these animals here, and so on and so forth. However, for a huge fan of panda, in addition to all these animals here, they can also differentiate this particular panda from all these other pandas here, so that the same perception of panda can be represented differently in different people. And the aim of our study is to quantify such informativeness of experience as defined by observers' ability to differentiate between what they see from what they do not. To do so, in our study, participants first view a natural scene image, and then they judge whether each small image patch was part of this big image or not. Using our paradigm, we found that participants were highly accurate in differentiating between the patches that were present and absent in the big image. In other words, they were very good at differentiating what they see from what they do not. This also means a moment of visual experience is highly informative. However, in addition to this kind of general high discriminability of experience, you might ask, do other factors of the stimuli influence such discriminability? For example, what happens to the discriminability of the experience when we manipulate the semantic congruence between the object and the background in an image? Also, are bigger objects better differentiated than smaller objects? To know more about our findings on these specific questions, please come and see our new paper. Thank you.